If you want to better antivirus protection or VPN and system optimization, then this video is for you. I'll show you how to get Avira Premier free for 3 months using the official offer. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see I have this magic link and this is the official offer. Here you can see the URL. I will give this URL in this video description and in my WhatsApp channel and WhatsApp group and Telegram channel also. So for premium private content that is not available on YouTube and few things I can't discuss publicly, join our WhatsApp group and Telegram channel. Links are in the description. So just visit the link, then scroll down. Here you can see no credit card or cancellation required. The subscription ends automatically, and here you can see get all Avira premium feature free for 3 months. So simply paste here your email address. You can use your Gmail, Outlook, Hotmail or Tempmail also. Click on this email me Avira Prime. Here you can see thank you, your data has been transferred successfully. Now let's go to email. Here you can see please 92 days free license. Please activate your Avira product. Please activate your Avira product. Scroll down, click on this accept and install. You can install in 5 different device. So you need to select here your password, click on continue, then type here your name, and by default it's automatically fetch your country. You can also change it, but click on this register button. Now here you can see trial subscription expired 92 days, and just install this. Let's go to our subscription page, click on this subscription. Here you can see 92 days, and go to this product offer and install Avira Prime. Or for mobile app you can enjoy Avira free mobile security and Phantom VPN. Also you will get password manager, and so by this offer you will get Avira premium free for 3 months and including Phantom VPN also and Avira antivirus. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐴 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.